Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood from Saskatoon, Canada, and I'm so very excited to be visiting my friends at Mulqueen Sewing and Fabric Centers in Tempe, Arizona, for what is going to be a fantastic Floriani embroidery event that we'd like to call Trevor PALOOZA. If you were there in 2024, you're not going to want to miss the 2025 version. It's going to be all the embroidery fun that you guys can handle. I have a bunch of great new projects to share with you guys. We're going to do embroidery with yarn. We're going to be doing mylar with embroidery mesh. We'll do freestanding lace. You guys, there's dimensional embroidery techniques like fringe and thread velvet. And we'll be doing cutwork designs, layered applique, and it's just a fantastic embroidery event. And so anybody who's never come to meet me before, I hope you'll come and attend this event. It's fantastic for a new embroiderer. You get lots of inspiration. I'll share all of my projects, everything that I'm making at the event. I'll be sharing the instructions and the designs with you. I'm also hand picking a special stitchetized embroidery design collection that everybody who attends the event will receive for attending. And I'm also going to include all of my cool Arizona designs. I have some wonderful Phoenix skyline sketches. I have some wonderful Arizona postcards. I've got Arizona patches. And so I know that you're not going to want to miss this event, you guys. If you want to attend, you need to choose because there are two event options. There's the one-day event, which happens on November the 13th. You guys, we will do everything in one day, or you can do the expanded two-day event style, which happens November 14th and 15th. And either way, everybody who signs up to attend will receive all of the special content. You guys, something about me, I've been doing embroidery for over 40 years. This is literally an embroidery design that I made back in the 1980s. I'm going to share lots of embroidery knowledge with you guys. You're more than welcome to come and ask questions. It's going to be a ton of fun, and seating is limited. And so if you want to attend, you need to sign up now. The best way to do that is to visit the mulqueensewing.com website /classes. And there you will find all of the options that are available, and you can go ahead and get signed up. And I just can't wait to get there, you guys, and look forward to meeting everybody at Mulqueen Sewing in Tempe, Arizona. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for listening, and bye for now.